We recommend removing and cleaning the front wheel about once a month. Use a soft surface to protect the SLAM LiDAR when flipping the bot. To remove the front wheel, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Using the screwdriver for leverage, grip the wheel firmly and pull. Clean the wheel and wheel socket thoroughly. When done, press and lock the wheel back onto the wheel assembly again. You may open and clean the wheel assembly if you notice debris buildup inside of it. To do so, first remove the front wheel using a flathead screwdriver. Once the front wheel is popped out, unscrew the wheel assembly. Spin the base and remove the screw on the opposite side of the wheel assembly. Use the screwdriver to pry out the wheel assembly. Clean the wheel, wheel assembly, and wheel socket thoroughly. When done, place the assembly back into the bot and replace both screws. Press and lock the wheel back onto the wheel assembly again. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our helpful support team.